is for beautiful women that wants to go for that occasion. It's an elegant style that will give you that bold new look, and you will definitely fall in love with the style. It will make you look elegant, it will make you look so chic. It's a style you really need to try. It's really jaw-dropping haircut for women, and you can see how the style looks so stunning on these beautiful women. One thing about the style, if you're planning for a wedding or you want to go to that big party, this is a short hair ideas that are simply irresistible. It's amazing, and you can see the styles really fit every face shape, whether you have the hard face or you have the round face. No matter the shape of your face, this is a haircut for you, because it will accentuate your jawline and your cheekbone and really turn heads instantly. See how cute this haircut looks, so beautiful on this woman. You can see how cute and classy it is. So if you're beautiful women and you are more than 50 years, this is a haircut for you, because it's one of the styles that will boost your confidence and give you that stylish fresh look every woman wants. So if you're the busy woman out there that you don't have time, to take care of your hair, like having that time to be busy trying to make your hair
kuti tapie ninu